Hi guys, today I will explain how to delete ElevenLabs account. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open your computer browser, just like I open my Chrome browser, and once it will be open in the search bar, search for ElevenLabs. And on the first number, you can see the main website. Just click on it. If you have not signed in your account in ElevenLabs, then sign in your account which you want to delete. Once you sign in, click on this option, go to App. Then it will take you to the main interface of ElevenLabs. Now time to delete account. For this, take a look on the left bottom. You will see your account. And just next to this here is an arrow. Click on it. And you can see the option profile. Just click on it. And on the last you can see the option delete account. Just click on it. Once you will click on this option delete, your account will be deleted. And always be careful, because if your account will be deleted, you cannot take it back. If you want to use ElevenLabs yourself, click down the link in the subscription to help support our channel. And it was the way by which you can delete account from ElevenLabs.